Today on Building a Drink, we are going to sample Fever Tree Classic Bloody Mary Mix. Stay tuned.
You got the fever.
Hi, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to sample this bottle of Fever Tree. This is a classic Bloody Mary mix. And I've never had this before. It says it's a delicious blend of California tomatoes and unique spices for bold and spicy flavor. It is 750 milliliters like most of them are. For the recipe, they offer 1.5 ounces of vodka to 4 ounces of Bloody Mary mix. Mix well, serve over ice. So basically they're recommending a 3-to-1 ratio basically of Bloody Mary mix to vodka. Vodka we're going to use today is Grey Goose. I got some ice ready. Let's pop this open and taste it. If you've watched my channel before, you'll know that I like to taste these before actually mixing vodka in with it, because I like to see what I'm working with. And most mixes, so better make sure that's shook up real good. Yeah, I don't see any sediment in there. Let's get this little glass here. I just want a little bit of this to taste it. There we go. That's what she looks like. It is thick. You can see spices in it. On the nose, I got spice and tomato. So I can smell the spices. That's a good thing. Let's taste it. Actually, it's not half bad. As a tomato juice, that actually would pass for a tomato juice. Let's get some ice here, and let's get started. I'm, of course, going to mix this up my way. All right. Grey Goose. Let me know down below what vodka you use. I generally use Grey Goose for most things. The good thing about this Bloody Mary mix is if, for when I'm tasting just the mix by itself, I may not have to add a lot to this. And that's the thing with a lot of these Bloody Mary mixes, these pre-mades. They're not a one-size-fit-all. They're made for a specific taste palette. And if you like that taste, they're good for you. But most of them I have to add a little bit of pickle juice, possibly some horseradish, and a little hot sauce to it. But let's see what this looks like. I'm going to add a little bit of ice to my glass. I'll have to go find that later. I'm not going to add a lot of ice because it won't stay around that long. And you can see a spice in there. Oh yeah. That's good enough for now. Yeah, you can see the spice in the glass. Excellent. Sample it. That's not half bad. For a pre-made vodka mix, it's better than most I've tried, honestly. You got a little bit of that, you can taste the tomato in it, but you can taste the spices, and you have a little bit of heat on the back end, on the back of the throat. There's no heat on the tongue, on the lips. The heat you feel on the back of your throat. So I would probably add just a touch of Tabasco or something to it. Possibly a little horseradish instead. I wouldn't add both of them because that would completely overpower it. That's pretty good. It is not my favorite. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give it a 7. I would buy it again. If my favorite was not available, I would definitely buy it again. A close look there. That is called Fever Tree. This is their classic Bloody Mary mix. I'm sure they probably have others. This is their story on the back here, and their instructions for how to mix it. I, of course, did not follow those. And that's it. Keep refrigerated. As always, check out my website. It's buildingadrink.com. I currently have over 300 recipes out there for cocktails, including how to make your own Bloody Mary mix. If you like this video, click that little thumbs up button down below. Click the subscribe button if you're not subscribed. I greatly appreciate it. Until later, thank you, and you have a great day.
I'll be right here when you get back.